How to get Telegram profile link. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Telegram application and then go to the menu bar. After that, go to settings, and then what you will have to do is you will see an option of QR code on your top. Simply tap on the QR code and it will look like this. Now, in order to share QR code, tap on share QR code, and then after that you will get several options like where you want to share it. You can also save it to your device, but make sure this QR code expires and it has a time limit. So yeah, make sure the other person scans the QR code in the limited time and you will be able to share your profile. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.